Hello everybody, today we're doing a Joy-Con FPC connector replacement. I've already removed the bad one from the board. This is a donor board I'm going to pull the FPC connector from because, let's be honest, we don't want to wait a month for the part from China. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this off. Woo! I need something to weigh that down a little more. There we go. There we go. Alright, we got the board prepped, connector on, Flux in place. Let's get it on. Oh yeah, sorry for the airflow noise. Hoping surface tension would kick in, but it's not appear that's going to happen. And now my tweezers jumped out of my hands. Oh, fun times. Okay. Well, I accidentally put it on wrong. Alright, it's about to get loud again. You might want to turn down your speaker. Alright, and that's the final outcome. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. We also offer memberships now. If you don't want to miss any videos, just be sure to smash that bell notification.